Here's how to add subtitles to a video using HandBrake. Drag and drop your video file into HandBrake or click Open Source to import it. Go to the Video tab and set your quality to 19. Lower numbers mean higher quality, and 19 is a good balance between quality and file size. Now go to the Subtitles tab. Click on Tracks, open the drop-down, and select Import Subtitle. Find your SRT subtitle file and select it. Make sure to choose the correct language. Then check Burn In to permanently embed the subtitles directly onto the video image. If the subtitle timing is slightly off, you can adjust it using the offset field in milliseconds. Once everything is set, click Start Encode. You can monitor the progress at the bottom of the screen where it shows time remaining and time elapsed. When it's done, your video file will populate in the output folder with the subtitles permanently burned in. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.